to my channel. Today I am kind of excited because I've been trying some different things out, some new things out. As you've seen from my channel, it seems like I've done every technique out there, but there's still many, many more to go, I'm sure. Today I am going to be doing a pour, and I was watching Cathleen Ozmore from Cause Creation, and she was talking about how when she does her pours, you watch, and she uses these, I realize now, like she uses little cups to make her pours, because I'm always like, why do I have so much paint on my canvas? And it just stretches, and then I don't have room for like a second pour if I want to change things up or whatever. So I was watching her, and she said that the way she does it is that she does, you know, like a traveling pour, and then she stretches it out, kind of gets rid of a lot of that paint, so that when she does her second pour or whatever else she's gonna do, that first one doesn't really move that much. So you kind of get a good composition without trying to finagle two different pours or two or three different pours if you're trying to leave some negative space. So I'm gonna try that. So I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe to my channel, please. Go ahead and share it with other people you think might enjoy it. Hit the notification bell to receive all notifications. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for joining me. Today I am going to be using up some paints that I used in my previous pour. I actually mixed enough for a couple because I wanted to try a couple things out. So today my pouring medium is paint with Liquitex gloss medium and varnish, a Floetrol, and a bit of GAC 800. So I'm trying that out today for the first time. My previous pour, you saw it, and I will have the ratios in the description box. My colors that I'm using are, I have Amsterdam in Turquoise Blue, Amsterdam Turquoise Green, Golden Iridescent Copper Light, of course, DecoArt 24 karat gold. I have Golden Iridescent Pearl Fine, DecoArt Extreme Sheen in Sapphire, and DecoArt Extreme Sheen in Sterling Silver. So what I'm going to be doing is, I did already cover my sides. I am using another 16 by, nope, not 16 by 20. That's the wrong one. That's garbage. Oh, here it is. Another 12 by 16 Gallery Wrapped Artist Loft canvas. And yeah, I can't remember. Oh, so I did go ahead and I painted my sides. The Prussian Blue that I'm using, it's Golden's Prussian Blue. This is it here, Golden's Prussian Blue. It is a transparent. So if you don't cover your sides, it will, you'll be able to see the canvas through. And it'll kind of be like a light blue and kind of weird colors. So you want to make sure to cover your sides before you go ahead. So I use paint right out of the jar, painted my sides really quick. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna flood the canvas, and then I'm gonna do a couple of traveling ring pours, I guess is maybe not ring, traveling pour. I don't know what the technical terms are for all these. It's hard to keep it all straight. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and we'll see how that goes. And okay, so I'm going to get started. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm layering my cup here. I put down the copper first, and then I'm going with the DecoArt Sapphire. I think I'm gonna put some of this pearl in here next. And this turquoise blue. And then turquoise green. Ooh. And more of this copper. Okay, I think I'm gonna start there. close up here. That was pretty. Glare. But these colors turned out really, really pretty together. Iridescent Pearl. I'm kind of excited to see how this one dries because of the Iridescent Pearl in there, that Sapphire, the DecoArt Sapphire. So I'm going to pull back and let you see the whole thing. That's it. And next time you see it, it will be dry.